welcome back to another video. And today I was playing Jailbreak and I noticed something about the Cybertruck on a Chromebook. See, whenever I drive, actually, I get like flinged. Oh, 1 second, I gotta rob this place. And nobody has a key card. Wait. Alright, buddies, let's go. No way! Okay.
Oh, come on! Huh? CJ! CJ, wait! Let me explain! It was just a bug!
Sorry, Mordecai. I better go before I somehow make things even worse. Good luck.
Alright, well, as I was saying... Oh.
No offense, but your game could use some serious tweaks, brother. No! This is all your fault! What'd I do? I never should have listened to you. You don't know anything about art. And you
I'm
don't
robbing...
know anything about women. I did everything you told me.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you,
It's true. I'm a total fraud. I don't know nothing about nothing. I just tell people what to do to try and feel like a big man. I don't even know how to play this thing except for one song. And I wouldn't even know that if my mom hadn't forced me to go take a lesson. I'm a hot mess. Wait, of course, Mordecai. That's it. Your mom. Dude, you call my mom a hot mess? What? No, I mean, go ask your mom for advice, brother. They know everything, especially when it comes to women. Dude, that's the only good advice you've ever given me.
Boy, you got yourself into a real hornet's nest on this one, Mort. I'll let you
Come
in on a
on.
family secret.
Let's
Your
go.
dad and I have been married
Let's
for
go!
and I ensure
Let's
we have success to
go!
one man.
Actually,
That's
this is actually like one of the first videos that actually successfully did something
No texting, no
without getting
emails,
arrested
just the truth, face to face.
But she won't answer my phone
and
calls,
destroyed
let alone look me in the
and
face.
raging.
Just have to get her attention first.
But I'm really good at robbing the power plant.
Go big or go home. Or make her some food in
But
the shape of her
the
face.
glitch might happen
Oh, you're super
while I'm
sweet.
driving. I was gonna upload a video today, but I was way too... It was like really bad. So I just decided not to even try. Look at those idiots. Actually an idiot. Noobs. Always testing stuff, bro. Oh my god, this actual default. My god. Actually, trash. Oh, I'm a bot. My game, bro.
Maybe you're missing the part where Dracula shows up.
Actually like.
Please!
Rigby, what the heck? Are you crazy? Mordecai?
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. Me too.
What did I tell you guys? I'm a total big brain. Well, sorta.
My head. Huh?
How you doing?
Never better. I didn't think you were ever going to talk to me again.
Yeah, nice trick putting me down as your emergency contact.
Yes, I'm so smart.
So look, I'm glad you're okay, but we need to clear the air. I have to know what's going on between you and Margaret. No more weirdness, no candy, no teddy bears. Be straight with me.
Margaret means a lot to me.
I was in love with Margaret for a long time, and when we broke up, it hurt for just as long. Seeing her
Like, what
was
is
opened
that?
up a lot of stuff for me that I wasn't ready to deal with, and I acted like an idiot. CJ, I screwed up. I feel terrible for hurting you, but Margaret and I are over now. I understand if you hate my guts, but I hope you know that I don't want to be with anybody but you.
Thanks for being honest, Mordecai. I think we can give this one more shot.
Actually done. What is going on? What? Oh, what? Oh my god.
Alright, listen up. Something really big is
I'm not even gonna get any money to you.
It might change my life forever. I won't bore you with the details, but you're going to be unsupervised for a few hours, so do whatever you want for lunch. What was that?
We didn't say anything.
Oh, okay. Huh. You guys were asking how...
Nope, weren't asking you anything.
Fine, I'll tell you. Gene has formally invited me to a park manager's luncheon.
Gene? As in Gene, the rival park manager?
Gene sucks. That may be true, but I've never been invited, and it's a huge honor. Not to mention very exclusive. This sounds bad. I'm just gonna weigh in here for a second. This is a textbook prank setup. Invite him out, get him comfy, then bam! Egg in the face, or pie in the face. Something ends up in someone's face, and it's usually not good. So you think I'm not good enough to be included? It has to be a prank.
No, that's not it.
It's just
What is
Gene.
going on?
I get it, fine. I'm not a good enough
Actually
manager to be
mad.
recognized. I'm glad
Like,
to
I didn't
have
even
that
get any
clear
money
up.
from
You
that.
guys enjoy your long lunch, and next time don't pry into my private affairs. So what are we gonna do about the lunch?
I was thinking pizza subs.
He means Benson's lunch, bro. Try to stay on the level.
Well, I don't trust Gene. We gotta follow Benson.
And then we're getting pizza subs.
Let's keep that on the table. But first, rescuing Benson.
Can we call it Operation Save Benson before getting pizza subs?
Dad will load on it in the car.
I'm done. I mean, like, I guess I could use the thing, though. I'm lagging.
Please, I can't see. What is happening? Leaves in my mouth. Huh? You gonna rake up these leaves?
Why can't I change my clothes? There. See, look.
Is the bug picking up Benson's voice?
I don't know. Let me check.
So ridiculous. Can't even rake properly. Well, at least the other managers will get a kick out of it. Benson, how was your day? Oh, it was fine. Taught some slackers a thing or two about proper rake usage. That's great. You must be real good at it, judging from those forearms. Oh, nah. I used to be a drummer, so, you know, it's part of the package deal. Package set. No, wait. Drum
Mm.
set. What's this on my... Ow. It's a hair. Ugh. So long. I knew I should have shaved this morning. Maybe I can just pluck it out. It's bad for your pores.
This makes me feel uncomfortable.
I'm not ready to know Benson like this.
How about 6 of one, half a dozen of the other, really? Hey, Benson's here. It's Benson, everybody.
Hey, Benson. Good to see you. Hello.
Oh, hi, Benson. Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Speaking of leaves, earlier today I was showing my workers how to pick up leaves, but I was a drummer, so, you know.
Yes, of course, Benson. Let's sit down.
Are you just gonna...
Chicken and waffles are to die for. Order up.
Maybe I should get closer.
I'm so hungry. I never had a lunch break. Skips, can we get a lunch break? There's a piece of
way up there?
Not off the table, but we should really stay put for now.
If I get arrested by this, I'm
Start
done,
it by
bro.
playing you.
Now let's talk timesheets. Alphabetical or chronological?
Well, I'm really more of an alphabetical kind of guy. You know what they say, A to Z, time ain't free. And so then I said, what are you, a man at germaphobe?
Where'd the sound go?
Something must have happened. She need the bug. That sly devil.
Looks like we'll have to go inside, closer to the food. Oh, no. Can I get you some drinks, some starters?
No thanks.
How about a cool raspberry Breezanade?
No.
Look, I'm just trying to make you guys happy.
Fine. Fine, Lemon. Raspberry Bumblebee.
That's the Bosco spirit. Why didn't you order any food?
Because we're not here to eat.
But this place smells just like food.
Cameras, hidden mirrors, I try to keep an eye on them at all times.
And pizza subs are kind of food. I can't take it.
Josh. Everybody down.
Okay, Busters.
Yeah, this was
Infiltrating
a bad idea.
base.
Let's go.
As a member of the SWAT team,
Elbows are weirdly pointy.
Hey, you stop right there. What do you think you're doing? This is my special luncheon.
We're trying to help. We really think you're being set up.
No, you're just taking me out to lunch. Somebody's finally recognizing my hard work. Machine, you don't get it. I've made sacrifices. Stick hockey, drumming. This is all I have left. Park managing is my life. You guys want to make me look like a jerk in front of my colleagues.
Sorry, Benson. We didn't know.
No, you leave me alone. You go break those leaves. Don't make me tell you twice. I'm feeling something almost as bad as hunger. I think it's guilt, guys.
Yeah, he is a great park manager. Why wouldn't they want to hang out with him?
It's us! We're the jerks!
Chill, Pops. Just go home and try to forget this ever happened.
You look so happy with him.
They got Benson.
no way. No! I'm done. Actually done. I'm done playing this actual game. It's actually trash. It's actually the worst thing